friends, welcome back to my channel, The Happy Mommies. Friends, today's video is in continuation of our past few videos which were based on the learning activities which we can do at home with our children, which also help them in engaging and having a fun time, as well as it enhances their motor abilities, their grasping skills, which will in turn help them to write better. It is basically a pre-writing skill, we can call it. So today I've got two activities. The first one is sand play. So in this activity, my daughter is playing with the sand, and she is also, like, I introduced her water animals in my last activity. So in this also I have given her some stamps which she is printing on the sand, and now this is about the first one, and the second one I'll tell you once we complete the first video. What animal is that?
Octopus.
Very good. Now try another one.
No, it's crab.
Okay, print the crabs. Very good. Now try another one. Yes. Jellyfish. Okay, where do these animals live? Manya?
Yes.
Where does octopus, jellyfish and crab live? Fishes, etc. Where do they live? In the water.
Jellyfish in the water.
And what is this?
It's dolphin.
Dolphin. Okay, now print dolphin. No, the other way, Manya, the other way. Yes.
Arrow. Crab.
Crab. Yes, crab. Okay, we will mix it again. Okay.
Wow.
Chalo.
Sand.
Yes, sand. Now you print the dolphin on it.
Yep.
No, the other way, Manya. The dolphin, this will be down. Yes. See, what is this?
Dolphin.
Very good. Now can you please for mama? And what is this? Look.
Cookie. Cookie.
No, that is a fish. Very good. And where do fishes stay?
In the water.
So friends, the second video, in this activity, she will be transferring water with the help of a sponge from one ball to the other ball. This activity is done very actively in most of the Montessori's. As transferring activity, we call it a pouring activity. It is a liquid pouring activity, and this helps in enhancing the grip. So once they are putting the sponge in a bowl and then transferring, taking it out, squeezing the water out in the second bowl, this in turn helps them to form a grip. They have this movement repeatedly with their hands. This movement helps them to have a better grip. When you write, you need a gripping power with your fingers. So for this, you have to have a grip on your hand movement. So this activity helps them, and since as water is involved, all kids love to do this activity. So you should surely try with your kids. Well, very good, Manya. What is Manya doing?
Pouring activity.
Pouring activity. Yes, slowly do. You are transferring water from one bowl to another with the help of a sponge. Squeeze it. Yes, very good. You want to do it again? Now transfer it from the blue bowl to the orange one. Dip the sponge in the blue bowl and squeeze it in the orange one. Very good, Manya. Again, slowly squeeze. Very good. friends, hope you liked both the activities which we did today. And for much more fun and a lot of free worksheets and other free resources, please make sure you are a member of our Facebook group and also like our Facebook page called the Happy Mommy. Links for everything has been shared on the description box below. Also, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel, because the more love you people give us, the more love we get and the more enthusiasm we have of continuing our work. So that is all for now. Lots of love and lots of luck to you all. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.